Here's what we're looking at.
What's this phone called?
It's just a MID. It's our M1.
Okay. And it's running Android as well?
Yes.
Wow, this looks pretty good. And you guys customized it and everything?
Yeah, we customized it for Korean user or Asian user, but obviously for the US market, you'd see Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn.
Is this CDMA or GSM?
It's Wi-Fi.
It's all Wi-Fi, so it's a MID, okay.
Yeah, it's a MID, MID.
Okay. So theoretically someone in America could buy this?
Absolutely. Okay. Probably available somewhere. We're not going to take it to the brand ourselves because obviously we're no name.
Okay.
I did $100 million in Korea, but I did $0 in the US. So somebody's going to put their name on this thing.
So you would partner with someone, okay.
Right.
And wow. Can you give me like a little run through about the type of stuff you can do?
Sure. I mean, it's an MID. So depending on what you want to use it for, obviously keypad, slide, obviously music player, it's Android OS. We think that it's a sexy enough device that it's a lot of people are saying that it's nicely designed. It has some substance on the weight. Obviously 3 megapixel camera with a flash. You've got the audio port. I don't know, basically imagine every Android device out there in terms of the features and capability, and you're good to go. Multimedia, movies, email, internet access, music, photos, obviously. It has keyboard input. You're looking at something like this probably available in the US by a carrier or somebody for under $200, and it makes a phone call over the internet.
Okay, so basically you can load like your Wi-Fi calling apps like TruePhone or Nimbuzz and Skype and stuff.
Absolutely,
like that. Okay.
Absolutely. Skype, whatever you want, or as long as you just have internet connection, then you're good to go to make a phone call.
And how many screens does it use? I noticed the little dots.
It's using 7, but you can include as many as you need to.
Oh, okay.
So it's entirely flexible.
So why you're here?
And is there anything, obviously it's very customized, is there anything specific that you added on to besides the aesthetics?
We added it on in terms of what was available in Korea. What the carrier is going to do is they're going to add on their user experience.
Okay.
So if it was, let's say, a Verizon, they would obviously have, MCAST or their internet experience or UI experience on it. If it was Sprint, they would have their user experience. We're not going to customize it for the US market. We're going to allow the carriers to customize and flavor it for the customer base.
Okay. Is there anyone in particular you're in talks with?
We're in talks with everybody. We've had a great reception. The European guys are here. Obviously, all the American guys are here. We've had a tremendous follow-up and repeated visits, and a lot of demos going out.
This feels very nice. It's slim. It's not heavy, but it's easily to control.
Okay.
The slide action is nice. And what does it have the? Okay, there's a headphone jack.
Headphones.
Camera. Does the camera have autofocus?
Yes, it does.
Okay,
yes, it does. On the flip, it's you'll see there's where you plug in for power or battery recharge.
How does it use the battery? USB?
No. This is obviously for a different geography. But in the U.S., you'd probably see it. It's a different adapter.
Because for Korea. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
But you'll probably see the BlackBerry pin or the same barrel jack.
Okay.
But we call it the identity. But we're going to obviously envision that somebody else is going to put their brand on.
Okay. And
because of the Android.
And this is running 1.5?
Yes, it is. We're expecting to have release on 2.1 probably 6 months.
6 months. Okay.